Hello, I'm Cody Lycke, an RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. I grew up in a very small central Iowa town. After graduating high school, I headed off to college where I played football and basketball at Upper Iowa University. I then moved down to the Des Moines area and ended up meeting my wife, Allison. A few years later, we moved up to Forest City and now live on an acreage outside of town. We have three very busy boys, Jackson, Gabe, and Walker. They enjoy all things outdoors: hunting, fishing, camping, campfires at our place, chasing around our golden retriever, nature walks, boat rides. If it's outside, they love it. When we do get away, one of our favorite places to vacation is Mille Lacs Lake up in Minnesota. It's an enormous lake with lots of parks, trails, and adventures for the boys. What I enjoy most about working in the RV industry is the ability to meet people from all over the country and assisting them in their search for maybe their first RV, could be their last RV, or in many cases it's just their next RV. I love that RVing encourages community with other RVers, getting out into nature, all things that are really important to myself and my family as well. So I certainly look forward to working with you and helping you move forward with your RV purchase.